This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 17, Exit Ticket. Our first question says, use what you know to find the product of 8 times 12. So, for me, I'm going to say 12 is a big number. I'm not very good at my 12 multiplication facts because it's so big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break that down into two numbers that I do know. I know that 8 times 10 is 80, and I know that 8 times 2 is 16. So I'm going to add those together. 80 plus 16 equals 96. So our answer to 8 times 12 is 96. Now our next question, Lewis says 3 times 233 equals 626. Which statement can you use to tell Lewis he is wrong? So let's mark one oval. Even times even equals even. Odd times even equals even. Odd times odd equals odd. Okay, let's look at this. So 3 is even, odd. 233 is odd, 626 is even. So odd times odd equals odd. In this problem, odd times odd, he has the answer as even, and that is not correct. Odd times odd equals odd.